Hair loss risk. Don't gamble with your hair loss. What do I mean? I mean, if you add any type of hairpiece or hair topper, even though you might like it, some people don't, but millions of people do, you're gonna smother your existing hair. Think of this very logically. If you're putting something on top, you're no longer using your hair. You're replacing it by putting something on top. Plus, if you put something on top, you're smothering the existing hair, and that's gonna speed up hair loss more. Think of this logically. I'm a hair expert for over 35 years and a hair loss expert also. I care very much about the health of the existing hair. I do not want to trade off giving somebody more hair, making them happy, and them having this side effect, the counterproductive side effect of losing even more hair. I was so concerned about that, I even wrote a book called Stop Additional Hair Loss, because the industry in general is looking to give somebody a head of hair that looks natural to help them with their hair loss problems. I commend that. But what I'm against side effects of causing additional hair loss. So I'm sure you see my point. Now there's a technology that can give you more hair without the side effect. It's a technology that adds one human hair, the same way it goes out of your scalp, in between your hair, giving your scalp 100% full access, allowing it to breathe, allowing you even to try to grow it or put growing treatments on while having fuller hair. So please remember, please avoid the side effects, avoid the risk. Don't make your hair loss go into a risky area by causing additional hair loss. Even if you're happy, it's not worth it, especially now that there's a new technology that you really need to look into that will give you a much more natural head of hair, that's much more flexible, that the key is that will keep your existing hair safe and growing. Please look into that.